So we're going to take a look at the meaning of concatenating strings. So when concatenating strings, we're putting the value of several strings into one string value. So to demonstrate that, I'm going to start off by declaring a variable. So let's go const. Let's name the variable greet user. And we're going to give it the value of, hey, welcome to my website. And then we're going to declare a new variable. So const. We're going to name it, let's name this one username and give it the value. Okay, I can mention this one after myself. So let's go Arasto. So when concatenating strings, we're simply just putting multiple string values together. So to demonstrate that, I'm going to run the alert function, and we're going to go greet user, and then we're going to plus add username. So by reloading the website now, it's going to say, hey, welcome to my website, Arasto. And this is the meaning of concatenating strings. So by doing this, we can also declare a third variable and putting the values of greet user and username into the third variable. So let's declare a new variable. Let's go const. Let's name this one message. And the value of message is going to be the value of greet user and the value of the username. So if I now remove the values of my alert, we're going to go and run the message variable instead. So if I now reload my website, it's going to still say, give me the same value. So, hey, welcome to my website, Arasto. So message has the concatenated value of the greet user variable and the username variable. So if we observe the message here, it's lacking a white space between the website and the Arasto. So we're gonna add this simply by going and adding a simple white space in our variable. So if I now reload, it's gonna display the greet user, which says, hey, welcome to my website. Then it's going to concatenate a empty white space. And then it's going to add the username variable, which is Arasto. So our alert is showing, hey, welcome to my website, Arasto. And this is how we concatenate string values in JavaScript. So another way to demonstrate this is by using so-called backticks. So if we declare a new variable, let's name this one message2, message2. And instead of using the double quotation marks as we previously have done, we're going to be using the backticks. So if you declare backticks like this, it's going to allow you to use variables inside a string. So if I go off, but if I type greet user here, referring to the variable on line 1, and in my alert, if I do display the variable value of message2 and reload my browser, it's going to say greet user. So this is a string that's showing us the value greet user, but what I want is that I want to refer to the variable greet user. So by doing this, we can add a dollar mark, and inside our greet user variable, we're going to add curly braces. So now it's referring with this syntax, we're now referring to the variable instead of displaying a string that shows greet user. So if I now reload the browser, it's going to say, hey, welcome to my website. So the message2 variable is now referring to the greet user. So what we can do here is we could actually add the second variable as well, the username. So if we do by doing the same thing, so dollar mark and curly brackets, and then typing the value, the name of the variable declaration, which is username on line 2. So if I reload, it's gonna still say, hey, welcome to my website, Arasto. And the difference with this declaration is that we could add further string values onto the string here. So we could be typing comma and say, please enjoy your stay. So if I now reload my website, it's going to say, hey, welcome to my website, Arresto. Please enjoy your stay. So we have now we've managed to concatenate our string in 2 different ways. And this is simply it. This is how we concatenate strings using JavaScript.